In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Acuity scheduling Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your calendar, pick the right day and time, add client details, and finalize the booking with confidence. Start in your Squarespace dashboard and open scheduling. This is where your Acuity scheduling tools live inside Squarespace. If you've already connected Acuity, you'll land on the scheduling area where you manage your appointments. Think of this as your home base for everything related to bookings. Next, click View Calendar. This opens the main calendar where you can see your availability. You can switch between day, week, or month views depending on what's most helpful. As you look at your calendar, take a second to confirm the time zone displayed on the page so your time slots line up correctly with your availability and your client's expectations. Now, choose the date you want to book. Use the calendar navigation arrows or the mini calendar to jump ahead or back. Click on the specific day you're scheduling for to bring its time slots into focus. On that date, select the time. Available times will appear as clickable slots. Choose the one that works best. If a time is unavailable or grayed out, it's either already booked or outside your set hours. Selecting a time slide opens a booking window so you can complete the details. From here, choose the appointment type. Appointment types are your services, each with its own duration, price, and buffer times, so pick the one that matches what you're scheduling. Selecting the correct type keeps your timing accurate and ensures the right confirmations go out. If the date or time needs fine-tuning, adjust it right in the booking window. You can change the day or move to a nearby time without backing out, which is helpful if you spot a conflict or need to align with a client's availability. Click into the client name field. This is where you identify who the appointment is for. Clear client information helps you keep records organized. Enter the client's full name and email. Double check spelling here. The email is used for confirmations and reminders. Depending on your setup, you may see additional fields. Fill in what's relevant to your process while keeping details accurate and concise. Finally, click Schedule Appointment. You'll see a confirmation on screen and the appointment will appear on your calendar. That's it. You've successfully scheduled a booking through Acuity in Squarespace. Before you move on, give everything a quick review, date, time, and appointment type, to make sure it's exactly what you intended.